Hi everyone, I'm Meenal Vijay Painse and let's see what the third week of December 2020, that is the 15th to the 21st of December 2020, has in store for the sun sign Aries. For the Aries, this is going to be a week where you will have to literally watch your attitude towards your fellow beings, your loved ones, and even people both in your personal and professional life. You see, what happens is you are used to a particular style of thinking. It has probably worked out, it has always worked out for you in the past and even in the present, and that is the reason you feel that is the way things should be done. But what happens is that not everybody is the same, and hence, not everybody will agree with your style of thinking or style of action, no matter how right it is, because everybody is entitled to their own individual opinion and their life. But that is not going to go well down, and that is the reason you might feel that people around you are very non cooperative, when actually the fact is you're not open to new ideas. So the cards advise you to be a little bit open in your mind and your attitude towards, in general, the things in your life. Moving on to your workspace. Your workspace atmosphere is going to be absolutely very productive, very creative, and very fertile for new projects. So, if in case you are self employed and have a business of your own, this is absolutely going to be a very beautiful week where you may get new offers for collaborations or associations. However, the warning that the cards give you is there is a chance you might lose this opportunity because you want things your way. So your attitude towards the opportunities would be either they should be into your life in the way you want, or you are not going to accept them. So see to it that you become a little bit flexible in order to avail those opportunities. Moving on to the space of finances. Technically, the finances are absolutely good, but practically, there may be a little bit of issues in your family regarding the finances. This is because there's a possibility that there could be some kind of an expenditure coming up in concern to one of your younger siblings or younger brother or sisters, and you would not agree to the way in which the finances are spent. So let's say if your kid asks you for something and you don't agree with that, there might be a little bit of a verbal disagreement with you and your kid, leading to kind of a some kind of a animosity or some kind of a little displeasure in the family atmosphere. So see to it that if in case you don't agree to the expenditures, at least voice them out mildly. Try not hurting others, especially when you're refusing to help them financially, or let's say fulfill their wishes financially. Coming to the matters of relationship, this particular one week you will find quite a kind of a discord, a disconnection, or disharmony in your relationship. It's because your partner or your loved ones or your family members would want to communicate with you, would want to let you know how they feel about certain things. But because of your rigid attitude, you may not be in the position or even in the mood to listen to them. This would create a lot of disharmony and disrespect and lack of peace between the relationships. So, for this particular week, please see to it that you're open. You're open, especially mentally, to understanding, listening, and receiving the ideas of other people around you. You don't have to agree to everything what they say, but just be open to listening to what people think and feel. Moving on to the area of health. Health for the Aries for the third week of December 2020 is absolutely excellent. Just see to it that you follow your usual routine, whatever it is, as usual, and maintain the timings of your eating and sleeping, and your health will be in absolute excellent shape. Your comments and reactions and experiences about how you felt the week was for you are absolutely welcome. Please feel free to share them in the comment box or do personally DM me, and I will be happy to read your experiences. Here's wishing you a very beautiful and a peaceful week ahead. Thank you.